Hey there, the Art-tastic sisters here. So today's video is gonna be a best out of waste DIY. My friend requested me to, make something using plastic bottles. So I was like, okay, done, I'll do it. So this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful flower vase using plastic bottle. So for this, you'll be needing plastic bottles, of course. I have taken one Fanta bottle and a cute small bottle and another bottle. I've cut off the end of this because I won't be needing it. I'll just be needing this much of the bottle. And also of the Fanta bottle, I'll be only needing this much. And next I have glue. We'll also be needing some tissue. And of course, paint. So let's get started. So the first step, as you might have guessed, is to cut off this bottle from here. Yes, I've cut off the Fanta bottle and now I'm gonna use scissors to make the edges straight. Okay, now I have cut off this bottle completely and now I'm going to take this small bottle and cut off the top and the bottom to get a thin tube-like structure. Now I have cut off this bottle and I have a thin tube-like thing here and I'm going to place it like this and take a marker, draw a line around. Now I'm going to cut off this extra part which is coming out of this line, this part. So yes, now I've cut it off and now I'm going to take this small tube and I'm going to stick it like this using tape. Okay guys, now I've stuck it together and this is how it looks right now. So I'm going to take some thick paper and here I have drawn the bottom of this and I'm going to cut it off along with some extra. Now I'm going to cut some strips like this in between. Yes, so I have cut off all these strips on the edge. Now I'm going to fold them inwards like this. Now here we have the circle. And I fold it all inwards and I'm just gonna open it up like this a little bit. Take this setup we've got here and keep it like this and tape this extra strips onto the bottle. Okay, now I've stuck it well enough and now I'm going to take the other bottle which we have, keep it over here and take this setup and keep it like this and then draw a line along this place. Now I'm going to cut it along this line. Now I've cut off the top part and I've drawn a curved line over here which was already there in this bottle. I just drew a marker line on top of it for you to understand. And I'm gonna cut off from this line. So now I've cut that off as well. So we've got a top and I'm going to stick like this with the tape again, just like I've done over here. So I've stuck the top and we've got a vase-like shape and now I'm gonna keep it at a side. Now I'm gonna take a container with some water in it. So I'm going to put some glue in this water and I'm gonna mix it nicely. Now I'm gonna take a tissue, fold it in half and dip it into this. Take this setup we have and place the tissue like this. So I'm going to cover this whole thing with tissue like this. Okay guys, now I've done it. As you can see, it has a smooth end and now that you've seen the brush in my hand, I'm going to paint this. I have a pink color in my hand, which I'm going to slowly paint it like this. I'm not gonna completely paint this pink. Now I've taken some orange and I'm gonna do a few streaks near the pink. So the difference is less, not that different. Just below the pink I'm going to do. all the places where I've done pink, just below that. So now I have done the dot. In this middle part, it's more crowded, and as we go downwards, it becomes less crowded. And yes, we're done. That's it. This is how the vase looks right now. And if you liked it, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel for more such content. There are a few videos on the screen which you may like. This also includes a video where we show how to make another vase using plastic bottle. This video was made because my friend suggested me to. Now, if you have any suggestions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. That's it for today. See you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.